When I bought my latest car, I knew I had to get WeatherTech floor mats to protect the carpets. And in this video, I'll show you how easy they are to install and how you won't have to worry about the elements damaging your car's interior. I've been using the WeatherTech in my current vehicle for about 8 months, but here's how you install them. In some cars, the floor mats are held in with locking tabs or clips. Just pop the old ones out. WeatherTech mats are basically a big piece of plastic, but they're molded in shape for an exact fit in your vehicle. They also use the original tab or clip mounts to secure them in place. With your seat all the way back, just slip these in and then snap the WeatherTech in place. WeatherTech mats come in several colors to go with any interior, and I got black, which matches very well in here. Standard carpeted floor mats basically absorb liquids and hold dirt in them, but you can see that the installation of the WeatherTech mats is easy. Now in the snow or rain, I don't have to worry about all the water I'm tracking in on my shoes. Water can't penetrate the WeatherTech floor mats, but they'll pool up here if there's a lot. For me, that's not a problem because I know my carpets are staying dry. These are great in the wintertime and also if you've got muddy shoes. This is my second car with WeatherTech floor mats, and I'm sure I'll get them for my next vehicle too. I had these installed at the beginning of the winter season, and cleaning the WeatherTech is super easy. Basically, they can just be released from the floor tabs and they can be sprayed off. Because my mats are black, the plastic sometimes does get lightened up after washing, but after spraying them off I can apply some Armor All and they'll look black again. I do highly recommend the WeatherTech, however they are more expensive than other types of floor mats, but they fit so well and offer great protection, which makes me glad I have them. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.